Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe for more LUSH content and body care and home fragrance because I love anything that smells wonderful. But in this video, I would like to share a LUSH holiday haul with you. I have a ton. Oh my gosh, this bag is so heavy. Now this year I did not get everything. Just because I tried just about everything last year, and I don't know, there were some things that I did not fall in love with, so I'm like, well, I'm not going to get everything this year, but I got a lot of bath bombs and bubble bars and things like that, some new releases. So yeah, it feels so strange because to be talking about like Christmas, simply because I mean it's October, but it's still warm outside, you know what I mean? So I'm just kind of like, okay, this is really weird, but I have to put this video up simply because I need to start using my products. I was running low on like a lot of bath bombs and stuff, so I was so happy when my LUSH store called me and told me that they got Christmas things in. These actually dropped online a few days ago, but they came out in stores October 1st. So without further ado, let's just jump in and take a look at what I got. So I asked him, I said, please label everything because I have to do a video on this. So first up is the Polar Bear soap. And I do remember him from last year, but I think he smells like snow cake. The soap, snow cake. Oh my gosh. And he smells so good. And they are not doing snow cake this year, which I'm disappointed in because I love the way it looked. I understand that this smells exactly like the snow cake soap, but I just like the way the other one looked with the turquoise and everything. But yeah, he smells like snow cake. It's like a creamy citrus. He smells so wonderful. I cannot wait to use him. Okay, what do we have next? Baked Alaska. And they did change the look of this a little bit. The color is still the same. This is a soap, but it looks like confetti squares in there. I don't remember that from last year. But, oh, this smells so good. It's like very citrusy. Oh, this is very citrusy, very bright, and I love it so very much. I love LUSH's soap. Oh my gosh. Now, it is on the expensive side, and it dissolves really quickly, but it's so worth it because it's so moisturizing and fragrant. Oh, I just love it. So I'm happy that Baked Alaska soap is back. I will probably be going back and getting some of that. You know what? I'm going to start putting the products over here in this bag that we've already talked about. Okay, next up is Snow Fairy soap. And Snow Fairy is one of my all-time favorite scents. I absolutely love it. It smells like delicious bubble gum, sweet, super sweet bubble gum. So girly, so wonderful. Love it. And here's the soap. Isn't that cute? Really cute, pink and white with snow and LUSH carved into it. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm going to be set for a while. Now Snow Fairy, I still have a lot of it from last year, so I didn't get the body spray because I'm still working on the body spray that I got last year, which I absolutely love. Their body sprays are oil based, like really strong and fragrant, and they're worth it to me. I think this retail for like 20 something. I think may retail for like 20 something, but oh my gosh, so worth it. And then I also still have a lot of fairy dust dusting powder left, and this is just like a dusting powder with glitter in it, and it smells of Snow Fairy. But yeah, I kind of stocked up on this. I bought 2 of these, and I'm still using them. So I was like, no, I don't really need to get those. I need to use up what I have. And if you follow me, you know I have a lot because I also do Bath and Body Works. So okay, what do we have? Okay, a bath bomb. Snowman Dreaming bath bomb. And I really enjoy this guy. He's beautiful in the bath. Like if you kind of place him on top of the water like that, then it like creates like this rainbow in the water. So pretty. I was like, yeah, I have to get him again. For Halloween, they had the ghost version of this. But it smells really good. It smells citrusy and sweet. Maybe a hint of lavender. I'm not sure. I don't think they put the scent notes on here. Oh yeah, there is lavender in this. I was right. Oh, it smells so good. Love you. Might go back and get more. Okay. Sleepy Bear Bath Bomb. Now, I think he's new. Last year, they had the Polar Bear Plunge. They do not have him anymore. And I really loved him because he was so minty and like eucalyptus. And he just created tons of white bubbles. But yeah, he's not coming back this year. But this little guy smells like the signature Sleepy line, which is lavender and vanilla. Smells so nice. And this is a bath bomb. Yes, yes, yes. Cannot wait to use that. I like to use the lavender like bath bombs and things like that. Like if I'm trying to relax that night and I need to get to sleep, instead of using like something that's like really bright and citrusy, I'll use the Sleepy line because lavender has calming effects. Jingle Bells bath bomb. Love this. Love it, love it, love it. And you could probably hear my sleigh bells in the back too. But this also jingles. Oh wait, mine's not jingling. Wait, yes it is. Just a little hint of like crystals in there. But oh, this smells so wonderful. Let's see. It's like sea salt, citrus, lemon, and ylang ylang. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. And I think inside it may be turquoise or something. But isn't that adorable? It's got a little bell on it. A little bow. Oh, I love this one. Yes, Jingle Bells bath bomb. And Snowball bath bomb. I don't remember this from last year. Ooh. Ooh, that smells nice. So it just looks like a snowball. But what am I smelling? Am I smelling eucalyptus? Okay, so citrus, eucalyptus, and lemongrass and peppermint oil. Ooh. I find I really love eucalyptus. And I know it kind of smells medicinal, but there's something so fresh about it. Oh. Yeah, so that is the Snowball bath bomb. Oh, yeah. Oh, more Snow Fairy. Love the body conditioner. Oh my gosh. This stuff is amazing. Look how pretty that is. I bought like 10 of these last year during the Boxing Day sale because they were 50% off. And I went through all 10. I love this so much. But the body conditioner is just like conditioner for your hair. Only it's for your body. And it really, really works. And this is wonderful. And I'm so happy. And I'm sure for the Boxing Day sale, I might buy 10 more of those because I love it so very much. Next is Santa's Magic Sleigh Bath Bomb. Oh yeah, with popping candy. This one's new. So it's like this sled contraption with a little bath bomb, little polar bear bath bomb, and then a little Santa. Ooh, it smells good. This smells like bubble gum. Santa he smells like the lotus flower soap. Ooh, he smells so good. And then I don't know what this one smells like. Candy? But yeah, this is kind of like a 3-in-1 deal. But popping candy, blackcurrant, absolute, bergamot oil, cypress oil, ylang ylang. Maybe it's in the is this the comforter scent maybe? Possibly. But I'm not going to try to get this back in the bag. I'm just going to sit that right there because it was hard enough to get in the bag the first time. Okay, Snow Fairy Roll Bubble Bar. Oh my gosh, I love these. They're so beautiful. Pink and white. They look like a little pink and white loaf of bread. This smells a little different though. Something's off with this scent. I mean, I smell Snow Fairy, but okay, this says it has Persian lime in it. Does the normal Snow Fairy have Persian lime? This doesn't smell 100% like Snow Fairy. Let me compare. That wasn't a good comparison. It's too creamy. Let's try the spray. I always shake this up because of the oil. Yeah, this fairy roll, it does smell like Snow Fairy, but a little less bubblegummy. I don't know why. Maybe I got one that was laying against something else. I'm not sure. But I know I bought like 10 of those too on Boxing Day. Butterbear Bath Bomb. This little guy is so moisturizing. And this year he's like this purple, like this light purple color. Oh, but he smells like creamy cocoa butter. And this also says ylang ylang and synthetic musk. He's very moisturizing if he's like the traditional butter ball. Then I got Snow Fairy Lights Bath Bomb. It looks a little different this year. It's flatter. And you know what? I bet they probably did that because that like Wonder Ball thing, when you order that online, it would arrive just in pieces, demolished. So I think the flatter design is going to be better for shipping. But this is like 3-in-1. So it's a bath bomb and get a second bath bomb. And then it's got like little candies inside. Oh, how cute. So those are like your bubbles. And it smells of Snow Fairy. Oh my gosh. I am just going to be in Snow Fairy heaven over the next couple of weeks. Love it, love it, love it, love it so much. Anything that smells like bubblegum, cotton candy, I'm there for it. Total girly girl over here. Okay, what do I have next? Oh, candy cane reusable bubble bars. Oh, I love these. I got 2 of these. What do these smell like? Okay, so they have lemon, bergamot oil, and peppermint oil, but they sort of smell like candy. Last year they were red and white, but they still smelled like a candy, which I thought was like so unique because the red and white I expected peppermint, but then I got like this cotton candy smell. Same thing. Only I think this year there's more peppermint. And they're a little smaller. But beautiful, right? Oh my gosh. I love LUSH so much. I don't know what I would do without LUSH. They make bath time so much fun. Okay. You Shall Go to the Ball Bath Bomb. I don't remember this one. Oh yeah, this is the one that looks like Cinderella's carriage. Aww. It's like pink and orange with gold glitter. Ooh, it smells so nice. Ooh, this, okay, so it has lemon, Tonka Absolute, so it's got like a lot of vanilla in it. Oh my gosh. I love this. You Shall Go to the Ball Bath Bomb. This one's new. Ooh. I'm gonna have to get more of that. Okay, so, yeah, that's it for now. When I will do another video for you guys for Boxing Day sale, because that's when everything's 50% off, and that's when I stock up for the year, for sure. It's like the one day out of the year that LUSH has a sale, and I am all about it because I love LUSH, and if I could get 50% off, oh my gosh. So please let me know what you're excited about. If you picked up some items that I didn't pick up, because really wasn't feeling them, maybe there's something that you got that you really love that I would love too. So just comment and let me know. And if you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.